Hey guys, so I just got off of a Road to QA call, and one of my students, she did an interview and she was stating that she didn't get the position. But I want to remind you guys of something. Just because you do an interview and you don't get it, stop self-doubting yourself. A lot of times we think because we're chosen, we're not enough. But in reality, it might just be that that role isn't for you for your first one. Another thing you have to remember is that we're in a very competitive market, and nowadays people are actually giving lower pays for people that actually have a ton of skills, which also could be actually bad decision making for a company in the long run. Later on, they can hire that person maybe because they said they know a little bit of automation and they actually paid them $40 an hour, but they have them doing manual testing and some automation. And let me tell you something, most of my friends who are automation engineers, they ain't doing no manual testing in no way, and they make at least 120 and up. So just because a company does not hire you, do not think that you are not enough. Continue to upskill and position yourself until you land the first one that's going to give you a yes. It's not that this is not possible, it's just that we're in a highly competitive market. So keep going. I'll see you next time. Oh, and last but not least, this is also a great way to get feedback or to take where you was uncomfortable, skill up so that you can nail it the next go round. Or work on your career story and positioning. So let's go.